So today I'm going to show you guys how to submit your assignments on Canvas. Some assignments I'll have you do through Delta Math, and then that way you don't actually have to submit anything through Canvas. You can just do it on Delta Math. However, there are some assignments that you'll need to probably print off and do on a piece of paper just so that you can get that practice down. So I'm going to show you how to do that. Let's see. So say you have me on B Day. Okay, so if you were to have me on B Day, this coming Monday, March 16th, you would click on March 16th. Okay, so whatever day you would have me in class, click on that day. Now, here we'll give some instructions, okay, saying that you'll need to print off the homework and assignment and upload a picture. Okay, I also have some instructions here on how to submit the homework, but I'm just going to go through and show you how to do that. So click on the day that you missed, and here I will have a lecture uploaded. Okay, this lecture is just the video of me walking through how to do this concept. Watch it as many times as you need, slow it down, speed it up. This is here for you so that if you need help, you can, hopefully, you can have it explained to you. All right, here are the notes. So for this day, you'll need to print off these notes or write it down in your math notebook. The reason why I gave you guys these notes to print off is so that you don't have to draw these cones. If you're fine drawing cones on your own, then you can just follow along. Okay, but for this homework, you will need to print it off and you will need to show me your work. Okay, so what you can do is you can just click on that blue hyperlink. I'm just going to show you what it looks like. Okay, so this is your homework. All of this needs to be completed. You're just going to be using the Pythagorean theorem and the volume of a cone formula to complete it. So you just click on that blue hyperlink. It'll download. You can print it off, and then you can do it just at home, just like you would a normal piece of homework. However, in order to submit your assignment, you're going to come up here. This says resubmit assignment. That's because I already did another tutorial video earlier, but this will say submit an assignment up here. So you're just going to click submit assignment, and where it says choose file, okay, you're going to click on that, and here I already have a few versions uploaded. So if you have a document scanner on your phone like Cam Scanner or another type of PDF converter on your phone, this is probably the easiest way for me to see your work, but I can do pictures as well. Okay, so if you just decide to take a picture with your phone with the front and the back of your assignment, you can do that. All you do is you just click the front assignment first, open, and you see right here, I just named it Canvas Practice 1. Okay, and if you want to upload the back as well, you just click add another file, choose file, and then click on the back of the assignment. Okay, once you've done that, click submit assignment. Ta-da! And over here it'll tell you the submission details. Okay, you can click on that just to double check and see what it looks like. I can also leave feedback for you, which you can then use. Click on this to view the feedback that I've left. Anyways, well, good luck. I can't wait to see you guys back in school in 3 weeks.